AI tools like ChatGPT, CapCut AI, and Midjourney are absolutely everywhere right now. Everyone's talking about them. But here's the cold, hard truth that nobody seems to mention. Most people who try to use AI to build something, whether it's a business or a side hustle, end up failing. It's not because the AI is bad or doesn't work. It's because they're using it completely wrong. Let's dive into the biggest mistake, and you've probably seen this or even done it yourself. It's using AI without a clear goal. So many people open up an AI tool like ChatGPT and just start asking it random questions. Write me a poem. Tell me a joke. What's a good business idea? There's no plan, no strategy, no specific outcome they're aiming for. It's like walking into a gym and just randomly picking up weights without a workout plan. You're not going to see results. You have to remember, AI is not a magic wand that grants wishes. It's a multiplier. It amplifies your input. So if your input is weak, vague, or has no direction, guess what? The result you get back will be just as weak. A powerful tool needs a skilled operator with a clear objective. Without that, you're just wasting your time and the AI's potential. The second huge mistake that's sinking so many aspiring creators is copying instead of creating. People are scrolling through social media, they see a video that went viral, and their first instinct is to find the prompt that made it and copy it exactly. They copy the style, they copy the topic, they copy the trend. But that's a race to the bottom. By the time you copy a trend, it's already old news, and your content just becomes another drop in an ocean of lookalikes. That's why their channels don't grow, and they get frustrated. Smart creators do it differently. They use AI as a research assistant and a creative partner. They use ChatGPT to research niche topics, find interesting data, and brainstorm unique angles. They use tools like CapCut's AI features to visualize their ideas quickly, but then, and this is the most important part, they add their own perspective, their own voice, their own unique angle to it. They don't just copy, they innovate on what's already out there. And that brings us to mistake number 3, expecting fast money. This one is a real killer of dreams. The internet is flooded with videos shouting, "I made $10,000 in a week with AI." It makes it seem like AI is some kind of get-rich-quick lottery ticket. So people jump in, they follow a tutorial, they make a few pieces of content, and when the money doesn't instantly start pouring in after a week, they quit. They decide it's a scam or it just doesn't work. But that's not how anything of value is built. Meanwhile, the creators who are actually succeeding are playing the long game. They understand that consistency is key. They show up day after day, week after week, refining their process and building an audience. And over time, that consistent effort starts to pay off. They begin earning real income from freelancing gigs, from brand deals on their content, from automating business tasks, and from building successful faceless channels that generate revenue. AI is incredibly powerful, but it rewards persistence, not impatience. So how do you actually avoid failing with AI and start using it the right way? It's actually much simpler than you might think. You don't need to learn 100 different tools or become a master prompt engineer overnight. Here's the simple 3-step formula that works. First, pick just one AI tool. It could be ChatGPT, it could be Midjourney, it could be an AI video editor. Just pick one and commit to learning it well. Second, use that tool to solve one specific problem. Don't try to do everything at once. Maybe the problem is creating video scripts faster, or generating unique images for your blog, or analyzing market data. Focus on solving that one thing. And third, create and publish content consistently around the solution you're providing. That's it. That's the real secret. Pick one tool, solve one problem, and create consistently. That is how people are actually building sustainable incomes with AI, and it's how they'll continue to do so in the years to come. If you're tired of the hype and you want real, actionable AI strategies, free tool recommendations, and legitimate ways to earn an income online, then make sure you subscribe to Free AI Tools HQ. It's time to stop using AI the wrong way and start building something real. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.